Hello friends, today's concept is the concept of the OSI or Open System Interconnection Model. It was developed by the International Standard Organization ISO. It consists of 7 layers, the bottommost being the physical layer, which transmits bits over a medium and provides mechanical and electrical specifications. It's associated with bitrate control, bit synchronization, circuit switching, to name a few of its functions. The second layer is the data link layer. It organizes bits into frames and provides hop-to-hop delivery. It works with protocols like Ethernet, HDLC, etc. The third layer is the network layer. It moves packets from source to destination by using the internetworking protocol. Routers work on the network layer. IP addresses are also decoded at the network layer. The transport layer provides reliable end-to-end message delivery and error recovery. It is a reliable and connection-oriented protocol and uses the TCP transmission control protocol and UDP, the user datagram protocol. Next comes the session layer. Session layer is used to establish, manage, control and terminate dialogue or sessions of the user. It uses the user authentication protocol, the password authentication protocol, to name a few. Sixth layer is the presentation layer. This layer is used to encrypt and compress data and also for protocol translation. The seventh and topmost layer is the application layer, which allows access to the network resources and uses HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTPS for browsing application, SMTP for emailing application, SNMP for network management application, and protocols like Telnet for remote login applications. Thank you.